fear of running out. That's an interesting term. We've heard of the fear of missing out from social media, and causing people to constantly be on their devices, but you've used the word fear of running out. So let's talk about that. So what are some of the worst things that could happen if you did run out?
If you run out, initially the ramifications are going to be dollar signs. How much is this going to cost me? Because I'm running out during the middle of a pour, whether it be a slab or a wall, or even something, it could be you're replacing a panel on I-5 and there's liquidated damages there. So if you want to start talking about impact, and when that happens, the trickle down effect comes into play, and it generally ends up on these guys' shoulders. Why did you run out? They're afraid as hell to run out of material. And that's why you see twice as much inventory in these bunkers than what you truly need to produce the yardage.
That makes sense. So it sounds like the fear of running out, you could potentially impact customer satisfaction. You might lose that next contract. You might have to go out and fix something, like you said, that could cost you $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, right? There might even be some penalty clauses in the contract.
Liquidated damages.
Right, so you can guarantee, I would imagine if I were in the seat running the plant, that you definitely wouldn't want to run out.
No, that is not a good thing. Not in our industry.